Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a very interesting yet terrifying topic: what would happen if Earth lost its oxygen? We take oxygen for granted and rarely think about what would happen if we lost it. In this video, we'll explore the consequences of such a catastrophic event and how it could affect life on our planet. Section 1. Importance of oxygen. Firstly, let's discuss why oxygen is so important. Oxygen is essential for the survival of all living organisms. It is used to produce energy through the process of respiration. Without oxygen, our cells wouldn't be able to produce energy, and we would eventually die. Oxygen is also crucial for the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV rays. Moreover, oxygen is a vital component of our atmosphere, making up about 21% of the air we breathe. Section 2. How could Earth lose its oxygen? Now, let's talk about how Earth could lose its oxygen. The most obvious way would be through a decrease in the production of oxygen by plants and other organisms that perform photosynthesis. This could happen due to a variety of reasons, such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Another possibility is that Earth's atmosphere could be stripped of its oxygen by a cosmic event, such as a massive solar flare or a nearby supernova. Deforestation is one of the leading causes of oxygen depletion. Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis, which is the process by which they use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. When forests are cleared, either for agricultural land or for timber, the amount of oxygen produced decreases significantly. Similarly, pollution can also lead to a decrease in oxygen production. Pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can damage plants and reduce their ability to produce oxygen. Section 3. The consequences of losing oxygen. So, what would happen if Earth lost its oxygen? The consequences would be catastrophic. The first thing we would notice is that we would not be able to breathe. Without oxygen, the air we breathe would become toxic, and we would suffocate within a matter of minutes. Additionally, the lack of oxygen would have a domino effect on other life-sustaining processes, such as the production of food, the cycling of nutrients, and the regulation of climate. The loss of oxygen would have a profound impact on the environment. Plants and animals would die off in massive numbers, leading to an ecological collapse. The oceans would also be severely affected, as oxygen is crucial for the survival of marine life. Without oxygen, the oceans would become stagnant, and the vast majority of marine life would perish. Furthermore, the loss of oxygen would also affect the climate, leading to extreme weather events and further ecological damage. Section 4. The impact on human life. The loss of oxygen would have a devastating impact on human life. As we mentioned earlier, we would not be able to breathe without oxygen, and we would suffocate within minutes. Even if we managed to survive the initial lack of oxygen, the long-term effects would be dire. Without oxygen, our cells would not be able to produce energy, and we would suffer from severe physical and mental impairment. Moreover, the loss of oxygen would also lead to a breakdown of our immune systems, leaving us vulnerable to disease and infection. Section 5. Can we prevent this scenario? Finally, let's discuss whether we can prevent this scenario. The answer is yes, but it requires immediate action. We need to reduce our carbon emissions and limit our impact on the environment to ensure that we don't destroy the very things that sustain our existence. By investing in renewable energy sources, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and protecting our forests and oceans, we can ensure a clean and better world for our future generations. There are many more ways to protect the human life from this type of consequence, and we should implement to protect our life. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos like these.